Well, the synthetic is a cheap, man-made fibre, mass-produced. Generally, the outer cover on a synthetic duvet will be the cheapest material
Cotton.
you can possibly buy, pennies a metre. With a wool duvet, there are
High quality product.
high quality product. The cotton that we use is very, very high quality, very expensive. Every part of the process of making a wool duvet in the UK will involve paying people decent wages, a decent price for the job they do, a decent price for the product that they supply.
And a decent price to the farmer.
And all of that adds up to not being able to provide the public with a cheap throwaway product. This is a product that's going to last you for life. Remember that. 8 hours a night, hopefully, for the rest of your life. And a Baavet will last you the rest of your life. This is a good investment. Ultimately, and we all know this, you get what you pay for. And what you get with a Baavet is something that's going to last a lifetime, is going to give you fantastic sleep, and that is priceless.
It's a world-class product.